I decided to build some furniture for my new place because they would be matching and it would make my suite feel more homey and be more comfortable for me. I'm building a desk, a coffee table, and a TV stand. It would also be cheaper than buying new furniture while still getting the same effect. You can argue that it's even cheaper to buy used furniture from Marketplace, but then it wouldn't match and it would decrease the vibes of my spot. So I went ahead and bought some 3/4 inch maple face plywood and a couple cedar 2x4s for less than $300. I'm tight on space, so I found a nice quiet corner to set up in the Home Depot parking lot and pre-cut all my pieces. That way I could easily deliver my pieces to my house and quickly screw them together inside. IKEA style, baby. Here I'm ripping my tabletop and legs for the desk. Another good thing about building these is that I can adjust the dimensions to fit my needs. If anyone watching wants more details on the sizes and steps to build these, leave a comment and I'll make a tutorial video on how to build these exact sets. I ran into some trouble when I was trying to bum power from Home Depot as I was routering my tabletop. Check out my channel to see the video on that funny little interaction.
Reliability,
So I had to pack up and finish routering at my old place. Minor inconvenience. Once all the pieces were ready and delivered, all that was left was to screw it all together, which went by real fast. These Star Wars TIE Fighter looking pieces are the legs for the desk. I toe-nailed them to the tabletop. This thin sheet will help hold the whole thing together. Now it's time for the moment of truth to see if I actually know what I'm doing. Gotta pull out the old wooden chair to make sure the height works good. Ooh, baby, I'm liking how that feels. I could definitely see myself doing some work on this desk. And that maple face plywood though, looking real nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and zip together this coffee table here, which I used the 2x4s for. It was a little wobbly, I'm not gonna lie to you. And the TV stand was built exactly like the desk, just a lot smaller, and it worked out great. Overall, I'm really liking this bit of furniture that I built. I'm glad I did it, and it makes my place feel more cozy. Hopefully you liked the video. Please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment. Yeah.